So this morning we are going to investigate extent of soil erosion in the community and its effects on living things and the environment. We are going to define the meaning of soil erosion and explain the causes of soil erosion in the community. We're going also to investigate the extent of soil erosion in the community. The importance of learning this lesson. It is important, to study this lesson because we are all affected by this kind of phenomenon. Why is it important to study this lesson? It is important because we are all affected. We are all affected by this phenomena, which is a natural occurrence, no? Which we cannot prevent, or we can prevent, but in some other ways. But sometimes, when there is a great flood, we cannot prevent anymore this soil erosion because it is a natural phenomenon. Okay, children, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to define what is soil erosion. Again, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to define what is soil erosion and what are the causes of soil erosion. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to, what is that? To define what is soil erosion, and you should know that, what is that? The causes. Listen to me. You should know at the end of the lesson, you should know the causes of soil erosion. Again, dito na ako. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to number 1, to define soil erosion. Second, to know the causes of soil erosion. Okay, now soil erosion. How can you remember? What is soil erosion? Jadian is that soil erosion is, what have you learned about soil erosion? It is what happened to the soil when it is eroded? Destroyed. Okay, what else? It is moved from one place to another place, right? Another. So the soil is carried away by some water. Very good. We will have an activity called Taralakbay tayo sa garden. But this time, okay, in this activity, we will be going or we will be visiting our school garden. And there, in the garden, what will you do? We will just observe a particular area where we can say an area that was eroded, atong soil, no? The soil was eroded. And we will be there for a short while, only for 5 minutes only. And I want you to go there by twos. We will be going out by twos. Let's start now. Sige, the first row go there. After observing the particular area there, we will be going back and we will answer questions. But I am going to answer it first, no, myself. I will answer the questions that we will be, I will give, no? Akong ihatag sa inyo. Now, we will go out and hurry. Hurry, dali. 2 by 2, there. Go to the garden. We will observe area here. Faster, come here. Notice what happened to the soil in this area. Dira, come here. Okay? Nakita na ninyo what happened to this area? Okay. Observe, for we will answer questions later, but I will answer it first. Okay? Did you observe now what happened to this soil in this area? Okay, now we will be going back now to the room, for we will answer questions after. Sige, go. Go back now. Okay, faster, hurry. Okay, children, as I said, I have follow-up questions, but I am going to answer it first. You understand? Okay, take your seats. Okay. First question is, what have you noticed on the area? What have you noticed with that area? Okay? But ingon po, I have to answer it first. So in that area, I have observed that the area was eroded. I have observed that the soil or the area was eroded. Okay? Remember, because after this one, you will do the same. Next question. What might have caused the area to look like that? Okay, I will be the one to answer it first. So it looks like that because of erosion. So the soil is eroded. So diba, there was already the platform of the soil and it was not already leveled to the ground. Nga na flat ang atong ground, diba? It was being made into a flat, and some of the soil is not already level to the ground because there is someone or there is the cause that made the area look like that. It was because of erosion. Okay, next question. What causes the soil erosion in the area? What causes? So this is my answer. Okay, I am going to answer it first. Water running through it made the area looks like that. Another, diba, children, you are the one who tilled the soil. Yes. You went to that area and you tilled the soil with your bolos. And so, it looks like that. Naka-flat siya, no? Yes. So, children is the one cause that makes that area looks like that. Okay? Kamu, mga bata, you walked to that area, you tilled the soil, and it looks like that na naka-flat siya. Right? Yes. Oh, wala na siya na-level to the ground. Now, another cause. It is, I think, is the flow of the rainwater. Diba? When the rain falls to the ground, hard, no? Kung kusog kaayo ang rain nato, and some of the soil will be carried away by the water. Understand? Okay. Next question. Is the area slightly eroded? Or moderately eroded, or severely eroded? My answer is, I found out that it is just slightly eroded. Slightly because only few soil are being, it was not carried, much soil are not carried away by the water, only a little or some of it. Slightly only ang happened in that area. Okay? Now this time, we will do another activity. And this activity is called lakbay. Tara, lakbay tayo sa playground. Do you like it?
Yes!
We will be going now to the playground. At the same time, what we have done there in the school garden, we will be observing a particular area where we can see this soil erosion. Right? Okay, so hurry only for 5 minutes. We will be going there to the playground. And listen, before that, you will answer questions, but we will be going back and we will answer the questions here in the room, classroom. Yes. Okay, 5 minutes. Go. Dali. Go na sa playground. Faster no, bata. 5 minutes only. There at the marang tree, under the marang tree. Observe places din na ay area where we can see soil erosion. Have you observed that there are some soil that will go down here, this area? Okay, look at our ground. Have you seen some particles of soil? Yes. And where does this soil come from? From at the top, huh? Here, look at here. In this area also. Here. Look at area. Have you seen the soil? Okay, just observe. Okay, it's time to go back to the room and we will answer questions there in the room. Hurry! Go back now. Okay? Refresh your minds what you have observed in those particular areas that we have visited in the playground. Now this time, as I told you, that you are going to answer questions. Okay, number 1. What have you noticed? No, do not read. If you are not told to do so, do not read. What have you noticed with that area? I want somebody to answer. Jillian. What happened? What have you noticed with that area? Eroded. Jillian. There was erosion. How about Zerati? One by one. The soil. What happened to the soil there? From the higher place, what happened to the soil? What have you noticed on the ground? On the cemented ground, there was okay, the soil was eroded. Okay, another answer. Angeline, the soil is eroded. The same thing. Okay, right. You are all correct. The soil is eroded. Now, what might have caused the area to look like that? What happened to the area? Atong ground, diba? There are some soil sa atong cemented ground. might have caused the area to look like that?
The soil is erosion.
Erosion? Cause. What's yung inungdan? What have might caused, Angeline?
Because of water.
Because of the water running. Very good, right?
Because of the rain.
Because of the rainwater, right? Another? It looks like that because of
The water. The rain.
air. Another, okay, you're right. Another, the water is landslide. It's not the water, but the soil. Some of the soil was carried away by the water, and it looks like that. The ground looks like that. But the ground has some soil particles. And where does that soil come from? From the higher place, katong dito sa ibabaw. So, ang atong soil from that area, dito sa may bungtod, were carried away. It may because it might have caused by the running water of the rain water. Okay, next. What causes children? Number 3 question, what causes the soil erosion in that area? Murag nag-advance mo sa inyong mga answer. Sa number 2 question na to, what might have caused? It is caused by erosion. Yes, again, what might have caused that area to look like that? Erosion. And what causes the soil erosion? That the one that you give well ago? It is the rain and the rainwater. And what else? Another. Okay, think about reasons or causes that made erosion in that area. Aside from water or the rainwater and the wind. Another. Apa? Running water. Okay. You are all right. Your answers are all correct. Next. Is the area slightly eroded, moderately, or severely eroded? It is just slightly eroded because only few soil were on the cemented ground, diba? Okay? So there is only a slight erosion in that area. Okay. Now this time, children, we will have another activity. In this activity, we call it let's do it and learn. So in this activity, I am going to group you by 5. So you have already your groups. Okay? So in this, listen first. So you are grouped by 5. So in your group, you have only 4 participants, 4 members. No? Okay. Now children, in this activity, listen, because I am going to distribute activity sheets. And listen, you will perform in this activity, which I will give you 10 points for each one of you. Right? Understand? So in this activity, you will need materials in which leaders will go there and get the materials. You will perform soil erosion by water and soil erosion by air. And after that, you will answer questions. Okay? Later, now please go and get the materials here in front. Get the materials and bring it to your group. Sige, faster, hurry, leaders. Hurry, magkuha ka 1 basin and 1 illustration board there. Sige na, pwede na. Any of you, sige, pwede na ako dito. Ayaw pagsalit sa there. you will answer these activity sheets individually. O guna to your group, dahil ninyo ang mga materials sa inyong grupo. Then perform na yun. With these activity sheets, i-perform ninyo. Dali, pastor, go na to your group. Pahina sa inyong members. Okay, leaders, come here and get these activity sheets and distribute it to your members. Dayon, perform the first activity. Group 1, group 2, atong inyong group gihapon. Group 1 na na diyan, no? Group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Sige, si group 3, come here. Group 4, ang wala na kapungan. Group 5. You perform na. Pagkuha na mo sa basin. Ang tanong lang na, lagi ninyo madalhan. Ako yung mga leaders, wala na nila kasagot. I told you to get one basin and bring it to your group. Okay? Dayon, children, mag-panic lagi mo. Children, perform what is in the activity sheet. So you are going to make a model of hills and a river by making heaps of soil. And then pour water over it. Okay, naka-perform na? Make a hill. Use the heaps of soil in making a hill and a river also. Yes, do it now. Okay, it's 5 minutes only. After making a hill, sige, you have to work cooperatively. So help one another in performing. Now, children, if you have done the hill and the river, river na po nga ato lang i-perform sa hill at sa using the soil. And then, after making a hill, pour out the water and observe what happened to the soil. Pour out the water. Okay. Sige. Ayan na nag-ilagti ha kung manang pour. Perform the second one. Place some sign at one place in the illustration board. Then blow over it. Blow the sign. And find out what happened to the sand particles. Perform now. Pour na the water to the hill. Ang hill may bubuin. Sige, what happened to the soil there? Sige, ibunda ang tubig. What happened to the soil? Dayon, perform the next activity. Soil erosion by wind. Sige, perform. Okay. Done. Very good. Now, children, the group that have done first is group 4. Second. So, third place sila. Okay, the last one to perform is the group 2. Last sila. We may see your work now, but this group. Okay, go back now to your seat. Okay, now, you will answer now the activity sheets by yourselves. With your seatmates so that we can do the checking immediately. Sige, go. Exchange now with your seatmates. Okay, na-chika na natin si Julian. Okay, sige, Julian, go. Please listen. Please listen. Again.
The soil is sliding down because of the water. Right.
Again, once more. The soil.
The soil is sliding down because of the water.
So, what happened to the hills? Ang soil puno ning go down because of the water, correct? If you
Yes.
have like answers like that, you check it. The soil goes down because of the water. When it is poured by water. Very good. Next, number 2.
The soil is moved in another place because of the wind.
Wind. It's wind.
Wind.
Or the air that you blow. Again. Again. What happened to the sun after blowing the air?